What is up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to remove or disable YouTube Shorts from your YouTube account. So this is an easy tutorial. All you have to do, guys, is open the app, open your YouTube app on your phone, and then click your profile picture in the top right. You can see here in the top right corner your profile picture. You want to click it, but before we click it, as you can see here, guys, I have YouTube Shorts, and they are just annoying. Like, some people don't want to watch them. So what you want to do, guys, to fix this problem is you want to click your profile picture in the top right, and after that you want to click on settings. After you click on settings, you want to click on history and privacy, and after that you want to click on clear watch history. And when you click clear watch history, this will pop up. You want to click again, clear watch history, as you can see here. And after that you want to click on clear search history, the second option. Click it and then click clear search history. And after that you want to click on pause watch history and click pause. Again, click pause search history and then click pause, and then go back. And as you can see here, guys, if you still see here if you still see her shorts, you want to click on three little dots in the top right, and then click not interested, and then keep clicking not interested for like 10 videos or less. Just keep clicking not interested, and YouTube Shorts are going to disappear from your account completely. Like, you won't be able to find them anymore. So as you can see here, guys, no YouTube Shorts anymore. And again, I'm going to click here, I'm going to close the account, and I'm going to go back to YouTube. And as you can see here, guys, you won't be able to find any YouTube Shorts anymore. So after that, if you want to unpause search history and stuff like that, just go back to the settings that I showed you at the beginning, and now you can have like a normal YouTube account. So hopefully, guys, this video helped you see. If this works, guys, let me know in the comments. Please leave a like in this video. I only have one subscriber. Please have a good